Hello friends, very good morning. This is Senthu and this is my channel Senthu Talks. So today we are going to see about the Crowd1 business plan because many people have asked me if there is a new plan update from the from my channel, so that will be very useful. So that's the reason I'm just preparing this video, friends. And today we'll see about what Crowd1 is and how the plan works, how it has been working all over the way. So before that, I'm asking a request to everyone to subscribe to my channel, Senthu Talks. So you'll get all the important updates regarding Crowd1 and the top level management updates. So thank you so much, friends. So let us go into the plan now. So this is the business presentation from Crowd1. So first of all, Crowd1 is nothing but it is a gaming and entertainment company. It started as a gaming and entertainment company, but today the company have evolved into different segments. So they are into travel, so they are into lifestyle applications, they are they are into producing lot of new applications. Okay, so how we can explain Crowd1 is it's a pool of applications. So it's a library of products. It has a lot of products, and we as a people are becoming we are becoming a shareholder of this company, and whatever the profit that the company earns through its products, it gets divided to everyone. So it's a profit sharing to everyone. Okay, so this is what the current system for Crowd1 is exactly. So let us see, friends, what is Crowd1. So selling an educational program including free Crowd1 rewards, a social community platform, a social network connecting people to selected merchants across the world. Very important because it's a network marketing, right? So it connects people across the world, and it's a social community program. It's a helping platform because you are giving an opportunity to everyone and they are getting benefit out of that. And very important, using BTC and Ethereum as an alternative payment option, because today the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum is very trending. It's increasing a lot. So definitely you'll see that the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum will definitely rise. So that is the reason company has given this option. Okay, sharing rewards with our affiliate partners. Okay, so this is what Crowd1 is exactly, and what Crowd1 is not is what you should know. So Crowd1 is not selling shares. It's not a gambling, investment, lottery, cryptocurrency, or forex company. It's not offering investments. It is not developing games, friends. Okay, fine. So this is what Crowd1 is not. So in very short term, what I can explain Crowd1 is. So Crowd1 is actually it's a gaming and entertainment company. But today this company has created a lot of products. So it's basically a service based companies. So here comes what is service based. So people, the 21st century business is completely gonna be this service based companies. Swiggy, right? So Swiggy, Ola, Uber, so these are service based companies. So how it is called as service based companies means it is providing a service to the people. Okay, it's providing a service. It doesn't own any restaurant. Ola doesn't own any cars. Okay, so it doesn't have any car, but still it is able to give a service to the people. It has its own car. Swiggy is able to deliver food, like Swiggy has its own restaurant. Okay, so this is the agenda. This is the trick that company is doing for its people. And today, Swiggy is one of the big company, and this is one of the company that has large assets. Okay, similarly, Crowd1 is also a service based company, and Crowd1 has lots and lots of products to launch with. Today we have few products, and we are getting some profit out of that products. That profit is being shared to the people. Okay, so that particular products, I'll mention some of the products, and if we are promoting these products to the people, we get five types of income. Okay, so we'll see about those five types of income also. So it's a network based marketing. So these are our products, friends. So Afilgo, e-learning, it's educational package. Social gaming, that is Mixter. Okay, so earn money directly to your mobile. Yes, we will be earning money directly to our mobile. So if you have a mobile, you can definitely earn a good and handsome money. 100% mobile based income. So you have the apps in the App Store and Play Store. This is the Crowd1 office. So the main head office is in Spain, Madrid, and you have the offices in Sweden, Philippines, South Africa, Spain, and England. Okay. So the upcoming locations: Colombia, Brazil, Nigeria, Hong Kong, and Kenya, and possibly there might be an option to open an office in India because we have a lot of people in India. Though it is not confirmed, but still, what I wanted to say is India has a very big market for Crowd1. Okay. So this is about the office, friends, and the founder of the company is Mr. Johan Holstein. So he is the CEO of this company. So he is one of the great pillar of this company because he has created a lot of entrepreneurs, and there are many young entrepreneurs that I could see in this company because I have become an entrepreneur by inspiring uh, by seeing his videos. And Mr. Jonas Eric Werner, so he is one of the chairman of this company. So these two people are the pillars of this company that I would say, and a very big hearty thanks to the founder and the chairman, so the CEO, because this is really going to be a very big income, friends, and this is going to be a long term plan. Okay, so everyone should at least see this plan once, because this will be really very inspiring opportunity for everyone. Okay, okay, fine. So coming to the educational sales package, friends, so this is what we are going to do. So we all are about to promote a package. This is called as educational sales package. So this educational sales package, you have four types. Okay, white package, black package, gold package, and titanium package. So I'll be telling the price in INR. So normally the price is in euros, right? So it's 99 euros, 299 euros, 799 euros, and 2499 euros. The prices in Indian rupees is 9,000 rupees, 27,000 rupees, 72,000 rupees for gold, and for titanium it's 2,25,000 rupees. Okay, so the good thing here is we have the Epic promotion running on right now. So Epic promotion means if you are paying for a package, white package, you will be automatically upgraded to the next package. You no need to pay the additional cost. For example, if you are in a white package, if you're paying for a white, you'll upgrade to black. If you're paying for a black, you'll automatically upgrade to gold. Okay, so that's a good offer that company has given. And trust me, this will not be forever. This is for a short time. If the offer completes, then it will be the normal plan only. Okay, fine, friends. This is about the educational sales package. First of all, what we get exactly in the educational package? It's very simple, friends. It's a tutorial actually. So what I'm now telling to you, it's a training, right? So it's a kind of motivation that I'm telling. But this educational package has a tutorial. It has a list of videos that you will learn about the digital marketing, self improvement, how to promote your business. Okay, so these kind of motivational videos you have this in this educational sales package. So depending on the package, you'll get the content. If it is a white package, less content. If it is a black package, then you get a little bit of more content. So it varies as per the package, friends. Okay, and very important, you also get the free Crowd1 rewards. This is where the rewards come into picture. Reward is something like a virtual share. Okay, so company is giving you the free Crowd1 rewards. This Crowd1 rewards will be not for a long time, which is this will be only for a shorter time. The reason why it is company is giving its promotion, so it is promoting its own products. So for that products, it is giving free Crowd1 rewards. This Crowd1 reward is like a share, virtual share, and after some 3 or 4 months, or maybe after some 1 year, or it's in a long time, I'm saying. So after a long time, these rewards will be listed in an exchange and you can trade. Okay, so the price of Crowd1 reward as on today, that is on 4th of August, is 2 euros. Okay, the price of euros is 2 euros. I mean, the price of reward is 2 euros, and this will increase based on the people, those who are joining, the number of the total profit that company is earning. Okay, so these are some of the factors, friends. Okay, so this is about the educational package. So now our focus is to promote these educational packages, because we have joined in this company. We have seen about the uh, the overview of the company, where the company's location is, and who is the CEO of this company. So we have got this package. So what we'll get in this package is the free Crowd1 rewards, the educational content, and also the invoice. For what you are buying, you'll get the invoice from the company. Okay, so now our job is to promote this package. So let us see what are the promotion plans. So this is the Crowd1 rewards. These are some of our products, and this is the profit that how the company gets. So see, our member is using any of the product, so we get a commission. So this commission is being splitted to um the people. So it's 85 percentage in total. That's the updated one. So 85 percentage it gives to the people, and 15 percentage it takes for its own profit. So this is how the profit sharing is done, friends. So now let us see the compensation plan. So we have 5 types of income in Crowd1, which is called as educational package sales bonus, matching bonus, fear of loss bonus, streamline bonus, and long-term residual bonus. Okay, so these are the 5 types of income that I would say. So let us see each and everything, what exactly it is and how it is working. So educational package sales bonus is called as the binary bonus. what a binary is in network marketing. So it is promoting your team in left and right, because a binary has two legs, left and right. So you have to promote the packages in both the legs. Okay. So if that gets matched, you get the income for that. Okay. So basically, if you're paying an amount like 99 euros to the company in form of bitcoins or in form of gift code, company will give you a white package. It will activate it, and you get 90 points for it. Okay. So you are giving 99 euros, but company is giving you 90 points for it. Similarly, if you are giving black package 299 euros, company will give you 270 points for it, 270 business points for it. For gold, it is 720, and for titanium, it's 2250 points. Okay. So now, if you're doing business in your down in any of the leg, so you get equivalent points for it. Okay. So see, this is the matching how it takes in the binary bonus. So if you have a white package in the left and white package in the right, it is 90 points in the left and 90 points in the right. It is 180 points. For this 180 points, you get 10 percentage of the income, which is 18 euros. Okay. Similarly, for the 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1, so this one, the last one, see, you have two white packages on the right side, one in the left. So this is called as 1 is to 2 ratio. For this 1 is to 2 ratio, you get almost 270 business points, because right side you have two packages and left side you have one package. You have to add these three, which is 270 points, and 10 percentage of this is your income, that is 27 euros. So friends, you have seen 1 is to 1 and 1 is to 2 ratio matching. Very, very, very important. You also have the 1 is to 3 match in Crowd1. It's very inspiring. The reason why it is, if you have 100 people in your right side or left side, if you bring just 33 people, all the complete points will be vanished. Okay. So normally in network marketing industry, we might have seen 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2. Okay. Because the matching concept is very difficult. You have to struggle on both the sides. But here in Crowd1, if you have the good points in one side, it's very easy to match and you can earn majority of the income, friends. Okay. So here, see, if you have 270 points on the right and 90 points on the left, so it is equal to 360 points, and 10 percentage of this is 36 euros. So friends, this 360 business point will give you 36 euros, and very important, in all the income that you earn from the Crowd1 through binary bonus, you will immediately get 70 percentage out of it in your account balance, and 30 percentage of that will go to the reward wallet. So I told, right, we'll be getting Crowd1 rewards initially. So in that particular wallet, the 30 percentage will go, which means if you're working, your account balance will also rise, your reward wallet will also rise. Okay. So that's very important, friends. And trust me, this educational package sales bonus or the binary bonus is the best income, because you have three types of matching, and this is the matching into unlimited leg. The amount will be credited immediately once you match. There is no cutoff, nothing, and there is no ceiling also. If you have a white package, then you can match it to unlimited level. Okay. So this is one of the very, very good income, friends. Okay. So next we are going to see about the matching bonus. Matching bonus is something like a team bonus, friends. So see, if I am into a white package, I have given 4 direct referrals, I get 10 percentage of the matching bonus. So what it exactly means, I'll explain you. See, if you are sharing your link to one of your friend and he is signing in, which means he is your direct referral. Okay. If that particular guy is matching, I mean, if he is earning binary income, for example, if that particular guy is earning left and right matching, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, or 1 is to 3 in binary bonus, so he will be getting some amount, right? So from that amount, you will get 10 percentage out of it. Okay. So that is called as matching bonus. So the minimum criteria for getting the 10 percentage is you have to sponsor minimum 4 people. Okay. So if you are in black package and if you have sponsored 8 direct referral, you will get 20% matching bonus. If you are in black package and 12 direct referrals, you will get 30 percentage matching bonus. If you are in gold package and 16 direct sponsors you get 40 percentage matching bonus. And if you are in titanium package and 20 direct referrals you have given, you get 50% matching bonus. So friends, see, this is one of the greatest income that I have ever seen. The reason why it is if you are in titanium, so titanium you can upgrade very easily using this epic promotion, and also you can ask all your team members to upgrade to titanium. And 20 direct referrals, this you can sponsor it step by step. Okay. So if you are into this 5th level, you will get 50 percentage matching bonus. Now let me tell you what is the benefit of this 50% matching bonus. See, if you are in a particular level, okay, so see, if you are in 20 direct sponsors, that particular 20 direct referrals will definitely work, and each one will give at least 10 members. Okay, if it is 10 members, then in second level you'll have 200 members. If that 200 members give at least 5 members, you'll have 1000 members in the third level. If those 1000 people work and they're giving at least 2 people, you have 2000 people on the other side. So if fourth level, so that 2000 people, if at least one person work and if he gives one referral, then 2000 will become 4000. Now see, if these 4000 people came from your first 20 people, which means 5 levels of 20 people is 4000 people now. Now the real game begins. See, if those 4000 people, any one is working under you, you get 10 percentage from them. Okay, so just one person if he's working, you'll get at least 1.80 euros, friends. Okay, so trust, if there are at least 15 people, 20 people working, trust if there are 100 people working, how much you'll be earning. Just imagine if there are 500 people out of 4000 working, how much you'll get. So that is what I'm saying, the more you build the team, the more you earn. So in short, matching bonus is very, very important team bonus, friends. Okay, so next let us see one of the greatest income, friends. This is one of the greatest income in the history ever, and this is the very important trick to promote this business, and this is the truth behind the success of this company too. And this income is called as fear of loss income. Okay, so fear of loss, so what it exactly means. So company has given a strategy to promote your business, and also to safeguard your capital, and also to inspire everyone through this income. So this is very simple, friends. So you get a 14-day timer running when you sign up into this business. So within 14 days you have to sponsor 4 direct referrals. That is the criteria. So if you have given 14 within 14 days, if you are giving 4 direct referrals, you get 125 euros from the company. Okay, so that is for a basic white package. At least if you are sponsoring 4 whites, you are getting 125 euros. If you are sponsoring 4 black packages, you get 375 euros. If you sponsor at least 1000 euros, this gold, you are getting 1000 euros. If you are sponsoring 4 titaniums, you are getting 3000 euros. Now let me see, friends. If anyone is joining this business with just 99 euros or 9000 rupees, see, he has a potential to earn maximum 3000 euros. Okay, so where you can see in today's world, so one can earn 3000 euros in 14 days. It's very rare, right? So that is what Crowd1 is, and today you have a lot of opportunities in Crowd1 to start with and achieve the success. So that is what we love Crowd1. Okay, fine, friends. So this is about the fear of loss bonus. And now let me tell a very, very important trick. See, if you are following the fear of loss, so you sponsored 4 member. That particular 4 members will definitely promote. They'll bring four people. So it will be 16. The 4 becomes 16. 16 will become 64. 64 becomes 256. And this is how the team goes. So today I am the director 3-star of this company, and today I have almost 15 to 16,000 people in my team. So the secret is very simple. I followed fear of loss. Now let us see, if you are following fear of loss, you are getting back your capital, and also this 4 people, if you are putting, those will come in binary. Left and right you have to put, not in one side, because you have to put binary on both the sides. Then only it will match. Okay. So 36 euros you'll also get for your binary, 125 euros for the fear of loss. So totally you will get 161 euros, friends. Okay. So 161 euros, in that 70 percentage comes to the account balance, and 30 percentage goes to the reward balance. Okay. So this is how the income works, friends. So in turn, you get your capital back. Still, you have your product with you, and also you have your rewards with you. So there is nothing to worry. You can definitely promote this business. Okay. So this is how the concept works, friends, for the fear of loss. And now, if you are promoting this fear of loss, you get everything out of it. Okay, everything in the sense you get binary bonus, because if you're the duplication is happening perfectly, right? Left and right people are coming in, so automatically what happens, you get the binary bonus. So now you, the direct sponsors which you sponsored, those people are also, they are also promoting the business plan through this fear of loss. So if they are earning binary bonus, you get matching bonus. So if you are following this fear of loss, you get the binary bonus, you get the matching bonus. Okay, so everything you can earn using this fear of loss. But this fear of loss is just one time income. If you are making use of it, definitely you can promote this plan to a big level, friends. Okay, So this is about the fear of loss, and this is one of my motivation income that inspired me to start off my business with. So this is one of the greatest income that I would say. Okay, so next we are going to see about the streamline bonus, friends. So streamline bonus is nothing but it's a reward payment so that company gives you. So it gives you free crowd1 rewards, and this is for almost how to say, um, every week company pays you off, and depending on the count, company pays off you some money. Okay, so every Wednesday company pays you this money. I'll just show you my back office, friends, so you'll get some idea. Okay, so bonus, streamline bonus. Okay, so now let me open and see. So the streamline bonus gets directly credited to your reward wallet. As I said, initially you'll be getting some crowd1 rewards from the company, so that also gets credited here. Okay, so see, this is the auto pull count, which means 87,66,251 people have joined after me, and this is one of the criteria. Okay, the total people joined is one of the criteria, and how many direct referrals I have given, that is also one of the criteria. I have given 14 blacks under me, so which means I am at the 14th level. Okay, and also total number of people, I mean, sorry, the package which I am currently in, that also plays an important role. So I am in titanium package, titanium pro, which comes in titanium. So for the titanium package, for the 14th level, so let us see what is my income weekly. So 375 crowd1 rewards. So 375 crowd1 rewards is what company pays to me, which means 750 euros, because one crowd1 reward is equal to 2 euros. So 750 euros I'm getting it for every week. So monthly it is 3000 euros. So friends, this is a great opportunity. The reason why it is, the more rewards you accumulate, the more rewards it will be used for you in future. Using rewards you can do anything. These rewards might list on an exchange and you can trade it. Okay, so please make use of this opportunity, friends. This is really a very great opportunity. Okay, so based on the levels, I might also go to the higher level. The majority, the maximum income here is 2250 euros. Okay, fine, friends. So this is about the streamline bonus, and finally we are going to see about these long time residual income. So let us see what exactly it is. So friends, I'm in the director 3-star, and if I'm about to become the president 1-star, I need this much of points. So what exactly this designation is? So first, if I'm joining in this company, I join as a starter, but when I match the points on left and right side, for example, if I'm matching 500 points, I become a team leader 1-star. If I'm becoming, if I'm matching 1000 points, I become team leader 2-star, and if I'm matching 2500 points, I become team leader 3-star. Very important is, this 1-star is like an basic, it's like a starter. 2-star is like an intermediate, and 3-star is like an expert in that particular level. Okay, so I started off like a starter, but today I have crossed the team leader, coordinator, manager, director. I am in the final stage of director 3-star. Okay, so next I have this president, senior president, and ambassador. So these are the next levels where my focus is exactly. And what is the benefit out of it? So that is what we wanted to know now. So see, if I am the team leader 1-star of this company, so I get 5% of the profit from the company for lifetime, friends. Okay, so this is how it works. If I am the coordinator 1-star, I get the 5% for team leader 3-star, team leader 2-star, and team leader 1-star, because those are the levels that I have completed. Okay, so each and every level gives me 5% royalty for lifetime. So today I am in director 3-star. So all the previous levels 5%, plus director 2-star is 10%. So director 2-star and director 3-star 20%, plus 5% from director 1-star till the first. So totally it will be like 50 to 60% of the profit from each and every pool I'll be getting. And this particular gaming residual income or long-term residual income, I'll be getting it in 15th of every month, directly been credited to my account balance, friends. There is no deduction, directly the amount will get credited, no 70/30 concept. Okay, so this income you can withdraw it immediately using as a Bitcoin or using a gift code. So now the income for the manager and director is quite handsome. For coordinator, there is a lot of competition in that particular pool, so they will not be getting it. And for team leader also, there will be slight competition, because there will be 20-30 lakhs of people, and the total income in that particular level will be 30 lakh, 40 lakh. So it will be like €1, €2 income every month for this particular level for team leaders. But trust me, if you're going the higher levels, For director 3 star, it will be 1200, 1500, 1800 euros. And for president, it will be like 4000 euros, 5000 euros per month, I am saying. Okay, which is equal to 3000, I mean, 3,80,000 rupees per month. So that's a handsome amount, right? So that will come for your lifetime, friends. Okay. So till there is no competition, that profit will come for your lifetime. Okay. So this is how it works exactly, friends. This is a very, very nice opportunity. See, today nobody gets pension like this, right? So who gets pension like 1,50,000, 1,60,000 per month? So here in Crowd1 we get this wonderful opportunity, and that is why people are rocking like anything. And we have close to 95 lakh people as on today. That is on 3rd of August 2020. Okay. So friends, this is how the plan works, and company has given a wonderful offer. So those who is achieving director 1 star, they are qualified for a luxury VIP cruise that has been happening in month of December 2020. Okay, so it's an autumn cruise. So the price of this cruise will be all paid expense by the company. It's equal to 7 lakh INR, but you get for free if you are qualifying for director 1 star, friends. Okay, so anyway, the time has ended because now it is 3rd of August. So it's on 1st of August the qualification have completed. But let us see if company is putting a similar offer. But this will continue. The new updates and new dates which company is giving, I'll definitely post on my channel. So you can just definitely follow it. Okay. So thank you so much, friends, for giving me this opportunity. So all these 20-25 minutes I've given you a brief explanation about this company, the plans, the business strategy, and what is the success formula that we are following. Okay, so kindly just follow the tricks which we have used and promote your business to a big level, friends. Okay, so that is one thing. And this August, we have the company's online world event, and the tickets are complimentary to everyone. So just ask everyone to just check the back office and register for the tickets. And friends, this is the reward balance. This is my current reward balance, and this is the account balance for mine. So here BP is called as business point. So 10 business point is equal to €1. So that is how the company is promoting its business. So this is for your information. Okay. So we have a lot of products, friends. So if you go to C Store, you have these are our products. Life Trends is the travel application, Crowd Magazine, Migrate Hub is the educational package, Afilgo Mixter. So still there are a lot of products, friends. So with these 5 products, we get a huge income. But let us see if there are further more products being added to our library. Definitely Crowd1 will be rocking in the future, friends. Okay, so that is for sure. That is going to happen because I have visualized that. So let us work for it, and let us promote this plan and take it to everyone and help the needy people, friends. Okay, so thanks so much for giving me this opportunity, friends. And please subscribe to my channel, and we'll definitely post a lot of important updates regarding Crowd1 and how this exactly works. If there are any changes, we'll definitely let you know. And kindly request you to attend my meetings also. So if you wanted to join my meetings, you can mail me at sent41990@gmail.com. So that's my official email ID. So you can ping me, and you can ask me for any queries if you wanted to ask. Okay, so thanks for giving me this opportunity, friends. And once again, this is Senthu signing off from you. Thank you. Bye bye.